Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Brent for Brenspeed. It's 3-Valve Wednesday. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and notify because you're gonna see lots of different videos I do on Mustangs, Camaros, F-150s, all kinds of stuff. And if you've been around this channel and you're already a subscriber, you know what's getting ready to happen. Today, '08 Bullitt, pretty cool car, VORTECH V3 Supercharger HO, and I'm excited because it's the blackout kit. So stick around, we're gonna watch a dyno pull. Let's go check it out. Okay, before we go down and take a look, I have Doug with me who's gonna help me out. 93 octane, like I said, '08 Bullitt. I'm gonna put links in the description, all the parts we're gonna talk about right now. Then as always, you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's it cost to get my car built? Doug, check this out. I love this, the black. It's the blackout kit. It's the VORTECH, it's the V3, it's the HO kit. So we're talking intercooled, it's liquid cooled. So a lot of you watch our Paxton Novi 2200 videos, that's air to air. This one's liquid cooled. Stock manifold, stock throttle body, stock cams. It does have a set of pipes headers, all right? So we're talking basically a stock Bullitt Mustang with pipes headers and the V3 HO Brenspeed package. What do you get in that? You get 39-pound fuel injectors, Kenny Bell booster pump, Kohler spark plugs, the proper tune. You get an SCT tuner if you don't have one, as well as the intercooled supercharger system. So there it is right there. Let's check out this dyno pull. All right, before we go look at these numbers, I want to mention something. So, we're talking Bullitt Mustang right here, but this kit works on a 05 to 10 Mustang GT. You can have a Shelby GT, the Bullitt, a Hertz Mustang. It works on all of them. We have the proper calibration for all those vehicles. Dyno Jet, rear wheel, SAE, 494 real horsepower. I took up to 6,500. Torque came in at 429 of the tires, peaking at 5,200 RPM. So, that power right there is awesome because we're talking a stock cam car. You want to get over 500 real horsepower? His next step, set of Detroit rocker cams. Cool, lopey, muscle car sound, and that's all it'll take to get over that. And at the end of this video, don't forget, I will put a video link to where you can watch, hey, what's too much power on my stock Mustang? Because a lot of you asked that, a lot of you already watched it, but I will have a video for you to watch. It talks all about it. I want to go over here and take one more look at the supercharger. Doug's gonna follow me over. I wanna talk a little bit about the V3, the Paxton, the differences. So here's what this is right here. All right, intercooled. It's the black. It's my all-time favorite on a Bullitt Mustang. It looks really cool. So you have the V3 Supercharger, it's intercooled. You need to save a little money, or maybe you don't have enough money for this kit. You can get the non-intercooled, doesn't come in black, but you can get satin or polished. All right, so it'll be non-intercooled, makes really good power. The Paxton, the intercooled Paxton, what's the difference there? So this is a V3 head unit. The Paxton kit we have, the HO, which I'll go ahead and put a link in that description so you can read about that. That's the Novi 2200 supercharger. It's larger, all right? So we have that available, tuned at this same power level we just looked at. But let's say you're gonna get a built engine down the road or you wanna get really crazy. That's a really good kit to get, and it's also intercooled. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment. Do you like the black? Are you more of like a satin guy? Are you more of a polished person? Guys, girls, what do you like? Let me know, leave that comment. Again, description has links, email quote@brenspeed.com. And you can check out our website, just brenspeed.com. Check out all of our options. Thanks for watching.